This is the Tool Pro Vario provided by Big Kaiser Precision Tooling. It's designed that the base will mount on your table and then it'll accommodate adapters for steep taper, HSK, Capto, KM, and VDI style holders. The small footprint doesn't take up a lot of work area, and then there's a button at the back that allows you to add the adapter for the tool holder you're working on. The button on the top will allow it to move into any of 8 different positions for full access to the tool, and there's a built-in locking pin to lock the tool in. Here we'll put in a 30 taper pot, our 30 taper tool holder. It's locked into position with a pin on the side. The pin can be adjusted for both CAT and BT style holders. And then we can rotate it around to do maintenance from the retention knob to the cutter. So here we're showing the base and the various adapters. We have adapters for 50, 40, and 30 shown. It'll also accommodate HSK, KM, Capto, and VDI. There's an easy to use button in the back allowing for changing of the adapters, and a locking device that allows for the holder to lock into position. The button at the top allows us to move it to any of the 45-degree positions for full access to the tool for maintenance. Here we're showing the option for a mounting plate for the Vario base onto our Russo tool transport cart. Allows you to do tool maintenance at the machine side. This is a spin adapter that's available. It allows for maintenance to your face mills. We put the face mill into the adapter, we lock it down. It still allows for the full rotation on the 45-degree angles. It has 12 locking positions to allow easy access to all inserts on the face mill.